In this video I'm going to show you how to buy TikTok coins. So what you want to do is you want to open up your TikTok app. From there you want to go to the profile and then click on the hamburger menu on the top right and then click on settings and privacy. From there you want to click on balance and then you want to click get coins, and from here it's pretty simple. Just select the amount you want to buy, click on it and confirm the purchase, and that's it. Then you're going to have coins in balance, and from here you can see your coins, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If this video didn't help you out, let me know in the comments down below and I'll do my best to help you.